We have to play, big man. We got all day here.
All right, hold on, top my cheese on, brother. Go read again. You pop my glasses.
You can play anytime today, or you gonna play tomorrow, next week.
Hold on,
you get tapped?
hold on, cause you don't got too much play. You can get 6. You hold on. That for you.
Hey, pass, man.
Pass.
You pass for real. You getting man so much talk though.
My man, don't worry with me. Focus on you how to play dominoes, dude.
I thought you had hard dominoes, man.
I thought on the side get win. Huh?
Man, you got this talk all the
I thought
time.
on the side get win,
You go in
man.
there play.
Who's the best? Huh? Who's the best, man?
Man, you take these games so damn serious because you ain't got nothing game for you in real life. That prick on my teeth you girl the other day, and that's what got you so upset.
It's a bit personal, sir.
She was a real rap boxer. You know, but Mongrel, how you gonna let he talk to you like that? But you want my big man?
You're too fast, I'm a girl. That was smart, my girl.
That's not you, girl?
That was not my girl, sir.
That was not you, girl? You see a girl that you the post it every day? You see a girl you had on Snapchat, TikTok, Instagram, all over your page telling me, oh, that's wifey. Wife that day. That was not you, girl, big man. You see him, girl, that's be all over the place with all the prickle men down there so safe. Ah, that was not you, girl.
She didn't do your pressure with you.
Look, Mongrel, you deserve this here. Let me go and play something else. Play somewhere else. Play something.
You could go along and carry along the table then. Go along just like how Ninja Man is be carrying along you, girl. Huh?
Between me and you right now?
Yeah.
Did you mind this hoop you been? Pardon me? What are you saying about this, true?
Ah, you can sit again. You sit, boy.
Duck off right there.